Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by joining slap battles with a stable connection. Make sure Roblox and the map are fully updated. Once loaded into a match, pick a spawn area that funnels players. You want controlled encounters. Focus your camera on typical glove spawns and equip any glove skin so you can switch quickly. Move toward high-traffic zones and watch for the paint glove particle cues. This saves time because you'll react immediately when it drops. You now work to trigger the paint glove spawn. This usually follows chain kills or certain in-game events, so prioritize quick, safe eliminations. Once done, create bait situations. Tag opponents lightly to build a timer without sacrificing lives, and use teammates to corral targets toward known spawn points. Keep moving between spawn locations so you're present when the drop occurs. Reaction beats luck. Make sure to monitor the kill feed. You finish by sprinting to the paint glove as soon as it spawns. Use dash or priority moves to beat contenders and grab it before combat restarts. Once obtained, practice using its abilities so you don't lose it immediately. If you miss the drop, don't camp. Respawn and rerun the trigger cycle in another spawn zone. If gloves fail to appear repeatedly, check your ping and game version and relog to clear caching issues. This usually fixes persistent spawn glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.